Hey everybody, once you join me, there'll be multiples of us in this room. It's 8:25, I'm just getting home. I'm so tired. One of these days I'm going to be able to rest, but I wanted to bring to you a very short little segment on how I save money on groceries. What I want to share with you guys is one of the things that I dealt with. You know, when you're in a situation, I was in a situation where finances were an issue for us, and we were always trying to rob Peter to pay Paul. And so when I got out of that situation, I prayed and I asked the Lord, I said, God, how can I feed my kids? And God said, coupons. And when he said that, I was very nervous, very scared, wasn't sure how it was going to work out. But I'm telling you that it has all worked out. There's never going to be a time, and I say that lightly, not braggadociously, but there's never going to be a time when my kids are going to be hungry. They're always going to eat because I have learned how to coupon at my grocery store. So if you don't know where I shop at a grocery store called Harris Teeter. I live in the South. I live at the beach, and this is just one of the stores that we have here. Now, my Harris Teeter grocery store has a policy that they double your coupons. So coupons that are 99 cents or less every day, they double up to 20 of those coupons. On a normal day, if you have dollars or $1.50 coupons, they don't double. So you can spend as much as you want on those grocery items using those dollar or more valued coupons. Every so often, they have events that are called Super Doubles coupons. And Super Doubles coupons, you want to get your high value coupons because coupons, $2 or less, will double. So you don't want to spend any money. You don't want to spend any coupons that are like 50 cents, a quarter. You can use those next week when it's not Super Doubles. During Super Doubles week, you want to use your high value coupons. So the very first tip I will tell you, if you're going to shop, coupon, because any savings is savings. So most people say, well, the only food I can get on coupons is processed, and I don't eat processed. Then coupon on your personal items. If you can get your deodorant, your lotion, your soap, your washing soap, any of that stuff, unless you have specific allergies, then what you want to do is coupon where you can to save as much as you can. So I just wanted to share with you a brief little haul that I was able to get today and show you how my family will never go hungry as long as I know how to coupon. The second tip I will tell you is print your store coupon policy, just so that you know policy when you're in line. My store will let me do up to 3 light coupons of the same item per transaction. They double 20 coupons per day, and that's it. So if you do your 20, you got to come back tomorrow. So let me show you some things that I was able to get. So this is a processed food, so if you don't eat that, that's fine. You don't have to. But this is breakfast squares by Quaker. These are on sale this week, 2 for $5 or $2.50 a piece. There was a 75-cent off coupon that doubled to $1.50, so I paid $1 for this box. This is normally over $3, $3.69, $3.89, something like that. So I only paid $1 for this box, and there are 5 of these in here, so 20 cents a bar. Hey, listen, I leave really early in the morning. I need quick snacks, and I gotta move. So I can take these. I can either throw these in my bag on a Monday and have 5 days worth of these for breakfasts at work, or I can throw these in the kids' lunch boxes and they can have this as a snack. For 20 cents a piece, this is worth it. So $1 for this one. Let me share with you something else. Okay, for lunches. So my kids do these noodles, right? 3 of these were 3 for $2 was the sale this week. And there was $1 off of 3. So that coupon doubled to $2 for 3 of them. And the sale was 3 for $2. So for 3 of these, I paid $2, but my coupon was $2 for 3 of these. So all of these noodles were free. And I got 9 of them because I used 3 coupons. So 9 noodles is enough for my kids to have lunch all week for 2 of them, or they can have noodles one week and something else the next week. So speaking of kids' lunches, these are organic. For all of us organic people. Organic, these are like these are called peanut pretzel granola bars. These have chocolate on the bottom. These are regularly like $4 and some change. For this one box, it was on sale this week, 2 for $5 or $2.50 a piece. There was a $1 off of one coupon that doubled to $2. So this box of organic granola bars was it was $1 or 20 cents a piece, because there are 5 bars in here. So each bar was 20 cents. So these are quick lunches. Throw them in their lunch boxes or after school snacks, whichever one that you want to think of. If you cook in your crock pot, but you like to do the slow cooker liners, these are $3.49 at my grocery store. There was $1 off of one that doubled to $2. So $3.49 subtract $2 is $1.49. So this for 4 liners was $1.49 or 60 cents a liner. So somewhere in the 60 cent per liner. So if you don't want to have mess, and this is easy clean, with my coupon, I only paid $1.49. So this is 4 meals that you could use these liners for. Another good deal. Let me share with you this deal. So a lot of people, especially people who have to worry about their food or their budget, or how am I going to feed my kids. Pasta is very cheap. And it is very stretching. You can stretch pasta. But Barilla pasta is a little bit more expensive than your regular Elbows or whatever, Mueller's. So Barilla pasta this week was buy 2, get 3 free. So they were priced at $1.79 or $1.80 a piece. So $1.80 times 2 is $3.60. But I'm going to get 5 boxes for $3.60. Well, I had $1 off of 4 boxes, and I meet that criteria because I bought 5 boxes. So $1 off of 4 boxes was $2 off. The total of these was $3.60. So I was able to get 5 boxes of pasta for $1.60 or 50 cents a box, somewhere in that area. And we got the farfalle, we got veggie pasta. We got a couple boxes of veggie pasta. We got the pipettes. Those are shorter pasta. And then we also just picked up more of the veggie pasta. So for 50 cents a box, we were able to get pasta. So you don't want to do any food. That's totally fine. You don't have to, but you do have to brush your teeth. So Colgate this week, this is the Enamel Health. This is alcohol-free Enamel Health Colgate, 16.9 fluid ounces in the sparkling fresh mint flavor. This was $3.99. I had a $2 off coupon that doubled to $4. This was a free item this week. So again, you don't have to do it on food if you don't eat processed or you don't want, what you would consider junk food. You can coupon on your household items or personal items. So not only did I get this one for Mom, but they also had trolls for the kids. So Alana got a troll because it was purple. She's a little old, but hey, who cares? And Jackson is going to get Minions. So all 3 of these were free. All free. So your husband shaves and he needs shave gel. So this Edge Shave Gel, this is the Extreme Moisture, and this is for sensitive skin. Your husband shaves his head, his face, or wherever else, or maybe you use this on your legs. I don't know. This was on sale, 2 for $5 or $2.50. There was a $1 off coupon that doubled to $2. This was 50 cents a can. This was on sale for $2.50. Its normal price was way more than that. So again, for $1, this is enough shave gel for couple months. I mean, I don't know how much shave gel you use, but this is enough shave gel. Or if you teach elementary school kids and y'all need y'all use shave gel for just doing projects or practicing numbers or different things like that in the elementary grades, for $1, and this is cheaper than buying it at the dollar store. So this is cheaper than going to the dollar store getting their generic brand. Couple more things and then I'm going to be done. If you have questions, let me know. Okay, gotta have something for your pits, right? So this is Mitchum. This is Mitchum for women because we got primary girls in here. So this is 48-hour odor protection in the Shower Fresh scent. This was $4.29. I had a $2 off coupon that doubled to $4. So I paid 29 cents for this one and 29 cents for this one and 29 cents for this one. Now, am I a stuff hoarder? Absolutely not. What I will do is if I know of a family or an individual or a mom that needs some things, I always keep stuff on hand so that I can put together a care basket, a care package for somebody, because I've learned how to feed my family. And because I've learned how to feed my family, I want to help people feed their family, but I also want to help them learn how to feed their family. Give a man a fish, he'll eat today. If you teach him how to fish, he'll eat every day. So, couple more things and then I'm gone. I need to, I've got some problem areas on my skin, so I need to do some more facial cleansing. This is a charcoal acne clearing cleanser. This is Biore. This is a name brand. This was on sale for $5.99. I had a $2 off coupon that doubled to $4, so I paid $1.99 for this cleansing gel. And the last thing, well, two more things. You use these fireworks in your laundry. Anybody use fireworks in their laundry? This is the Gain. This is the original scent. This was $3.99. They had a $1 off coupon that doubled to $2, so I paid $1.99 for this Gain. And this is expensive. This was the small one for $3.99. But for $1.99, I was able to get this one, and I'm sure I can get several loads out of this. So I was able to get 2 of those because I had 2 coupons. And finally, I just want to share this last thing with you. You have little kids or you're going to an event or something like that, and you don't have anything else you can take because maybe you didn't get, your paycheck wasn't what you thought it was going to be this week. Doesn't have to be. They had these on sale. These are sweet tarts. These are soft and chewy ropes. They are regularly $1.59. So 2 bags would be $3.18. I had a $2 off of 2 coupon that would double to $4, but my store does not give overages, but they will give me $3.18. So I paid $3.18 for these, but I had the coupon, so these were free. These were all free. So you're going to a thing, grab a couple of these, throw them in your bag, and go to your thing. So all of these 6 bags were free. And the last 2 items that I got, again, were for the kids, not my kids, because I don't let them have candy. But if we're going somewhere where there are kids, we know what to grab. These bags were 2 for $6 or $3 a piece. I had a $1 off of 1 that doubled to $2. So each bag of these, and these are the 12 ounces, and this is 11 ounces, were just $1. So using coupons. There's so much more. Let me see that one thing right there, Jackson. Trying to get your meat deals, and give me the bacon. Couple more things and I'm done. So trying to get your meat deals right. So this is Coleman's Natural Sausage. This sausage was on sale for $2.99. There was $1.50 off of 1 that doubled to $3. This was free this week. So I got free sausage. And then my bacon. If you're a bacon eater, you know bacon is $7 zillion at the grocery store with a coupon and on sale. But this week, the Coleman Natural Bacon was $3.99. I had a $1.50 off coupon that doubled to $3. I paid 99 cents for this pack of bacon. Listen, I'm going to have bacon wrapped cabbage this week. I might have bacon on my cheese. I might have bacon on my burger. I'm going to have bacon on something this week because it only cost me 99 cents. So I just wanted to share with you guys a few things that I was able to get on with using my coupons. Coupons may not be for everybody and they may not be for everything, but what you can do is save money for your family by couponing on certain items. So I encourage you, if you are new to couponing or you want to learn, hit my inbox, let me know. I'm going to be planning an event that's going to kind of be a join the class event where you're going to bring your notebook and take some notes, and we're just going to talk it through. Also, check my YouTube channel, One Mom, Two Girls, Two Boys, 8 in all. I do have some couponing things on there as well. But anyway, that's what I wanted to share with you guys tonight. Thank you so much for joining my live event. And until the next time we chat, bye now.